Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are in a special place, which was actually the royal palace of the last Shah of Iran, and it's called the Sadabad Palace. Right now it's one of the biggest tourist attractions in Tehran, and it includes many museums. As I mentioned before, it's huge. So today we're just gonna visit the car collection. These luxurious cars belong to the Shah himself, and some of them are really rare, like the Mercedes SSL, which is a classic gem. There are also some other Mercedes, Rolls-Royce, BMWs, also a very beautiful Austrian carriage. Thank you so much for watching our video, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!